Hello and welcome everyone. In this lesson, you will learn some common hobbies in Malay. These are everyday activities that many people enjoy. Let's get started. Today you will learn the Malay words for several common hobbies. Try to read each word aloud as we go through the lesson. Our first hobby is membaca. 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 It means reading. Reading can be books, magazine, or articles online. For example, we have words for books which is buku. Buku. So if you want to say I read books, you can say saya membaca buku. Saya membaca buku. Next is menonton television. Menonton television. This means watching television. Many people enjoy watching movies, news, or their favorite TV shows. So if you want to say I watching television, you can say saya menonton television. Saya menonton television. Another popular hobby is, for example, podcast, right? So you can say mendengar podcast. Mendengar podcast. This means listening to podcasts. People often listen to podcasts while driving, walking, or relaxing. So if you want to say I listening to the podcast, you can say saya mendengar podcast. Saya mendengar podcast. Next is bermain bola sepak. Bermain bola sepak. It means playing football. So bermain itself, it means playing. It means playing. So football is one of the most popular sports in Malaysia. So you can say saya bermain bola sepak. Saya bermain bola sepak. Another popular sport is bermain badminton. Bermain badminton. This means playing badminton. Many people play badminton with friends or family. Next is berbasikal. Berbasikal. It means cycling. Cycling is a fun way to exercise and enjoy the outdoors. Okay, another hobby is berenang. Berenang. This means swimming. Yeah, swimming is both enjoyable and a great form of exercise. How to say I like swimming? So you can say saya suka berenang. Saya suka berenang. Remember previous word we learned? Cycling, which is berbasikal. You can say also saya suka berbasikal. Saya suka berbasikal. I like cycling. Okay, next is mengambil gambar. Mengambil gambar. It means taking photos. Many people enjoy taking picture when they travel or spend time with friends. So if you want to say I like taking photos, you can say saya suka mengambil gambar. Saya suka mengambil gambar. Our last hobby is bermain permainan video. Bermain permainan video. This means playing video games. Video games are a popular hobby for people of all ages. So if you want to say I like playing video games, you can say saya suka bermain permainan video. Saya suka bermain permainan video. Let's review the hobby. Let's review the hobbies you have learned today. First one, membaca, menonton televisyen, mendengar podcast, bermain bola sepak, bermain badminton, berbasikal, berenang, mengambil gambar, bermain permainan video. Try saying each word aloud one more time. You can pause the video if you want. Great job! You have learned several common hobbies in Malay. Keep practicing these words and try using them when talking about your own hobbies. See you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.